Hello everybody, this is Alan Brown and I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook app that you need in order to use Facebook in RCW Lightning Edition. So the first thing you want to do is come into the settings and come up to the Facebook tab in settings and click and do a click here on creating a Facebook application, and it will bring you now over to this developers.facebook.com, which is great. And then what you want to do is you want to click on this apps, and it's going to ask me to log in, which is fine. I will log in with my Facebook account, and well, it's taking me to my actual Facebook account now. So how do I get back to that was very nice. So let's do it this way. Developers. Yeah, I'll have to type it in now. If that happens, just type developers.facebook.com and it will get you back. But you need to be logged in. As you can see, I'm now logged in, and we will go back to apps. And now you can see I have a whole list of apps here that I've been playing with, and I'm going to click this create a new app. Okay, and the first thing it's going to do is going to say I want a display name. So let me see. I usually just pick two words out of thin air, like I don't know. Whoops. Something like flag DVD. There we go. Two words, and then the namespace needs to be in lowercase, and I usually make it the same thing. And is this test version of another app? No, it isn't. You want to choose a category. You want to go to business, or at least that's what I go to. Whatever category you want to use is fine. And then we have the CAPTCHA, and I'm going to answer that. Boy, I hope I can get this one right. If not, I will have to do it again. Let's see. Okay, I think it took that one. So we are waiting now for it to create the app. And there we go. We have the app, and then we have the app code, and we have the app secret. But there's some things that we need to set up first before you can actually use the app. And it's important that you do these things and not skip this. So I want to go to settings. So over here, first of all, you're going to need to put in here a contact email. So you know, I might put something like that, and I leave the app domains blank. And then what you want to do is you want to save the changes. Okay, and this is the basics. So we want to go now to the advanced, and the advanced one has a whole bunch of different settings. Most of these I leave, with the exception of one, which is down here. It says embedded browser OAuth login. I usually set that to yes, and the rest of it is pretty much the way it is. So I'm going to save that. Okay, and then we go over to migrations. I don't think I change anything here, but I always check it. I want the first one off and the second one on, which is fine. Stream post. So pretty much take the default, but there's one or two settings that you had to change there. Okay. So here we go. We have the app. Oh, and one more thing is we come back here, and when we come back here, we have to go to status and review. Okay. And when we go to status and review, it says, do you want to make this app and all its live features available to the general public? Very important. If you don't do this step, it won't work. So you want to say yes here. Are you sure you want to make the app public? Yep, I do. Okay, and there we go. The little green dot means it's all live to everybody, and you can start using this app. So now that everything is all set up, now what I can do is go over to here, and I can grab the app ID and put that in here, and I can grab the secret key and put that in here. Okay, and now what you want to do is you just want to click on this authorize button here. You can see it's not authorized, so I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to come up with a little pop-up screen, and it says that the following permissions have not been approved. Okay, so what you want to do, this flag DVD will receive your info for public groups and profiles. You say okay to that. Okay, it would like to post to Facebook for you on your behalf. Do you want to who do you want to share these posts with? You can change that to anything. I always just leave it as my friends, and I say okay. If I would like to manage your pages, that's okay, because we are going to have it will post to your pages, so we wanted to do that. Okay, now we've done all that. All the permissions are now set, and you can see that the authorized has a little green dot here, and that means you're good to go. So that's all there is to setting up Facebook for Rapid Content Wizard. You can now go ahead and post to Facebook, and I'll have another video explaining exactly how to do that. Thank you very much for your time.